Thank you for your interest in Phocuswright, travel's leading research authority on how travelers, suppliers, and intermediaries connect. If your company has an open access subscription, your subscription coordinator has worked with Phocuswright's customer concierge on identifying you as a seat holder. By this time, you should have received an authentication email. Be sure to check your inbox and junk mail folder for this activation email. If for some reason you do not receive your authentication email, please contact customer concierge at phocuswright.com for assistance. Once you receive your authentication email, click on the link to go through the final steps. Check the brand or company you work for and click Continue. Fill out your contact information on the next page, choose which email notifications you'd like to receive, and make sure to click Save Changes. That's it. You're ready to go. For assistance during this process, please contact customer concierge at phocuswright.com.